What if the most expensive thing in your life isn't your mortgage, your credit card debt, or the rising cost of living? What if the hidden cost of financial anxiety is something you can't even see? Every day, millions of people work hard, earn a paycheck, and still feel trapped by financial stress. But here's the surprising truth. Financial anxiety doesn't just drain your wallet, it drains your peace, your confidence, your relationships, and even your ability to recognize God's provision. The good news is that this cycle can be broken. In the next few minutes, you'll discover why the hidden cost of financial anxiety is much greater than money, how financial peace begins long before financial freedom, and what the Bible reveals about overcoming worry with wisdom, faith, and practical steps that can transform the way you see your finances forever. Most people believe financial anxiety begins when the bills pile up or the bank account starts running low. But the truth is, it often begins much earlier, with the quiet belief that there's never going to be enough. That mindset slowly steals financial peace long before it affects a person's finances. Every decision starts feeling heavier, every unexpected expense feels like a crisis, and even moments of rest become clouded by worry. The hidden cost isn't just the money that's lost, it's the peace that's quietly slipping away. Jesus spoke directly to this struggle in Matthew 6:31-33, reminding his followers not to be consumed by worry but to seek God's kingdom first, trusting that their needs would be provided for. That doesn't mean ignoring a budget or avoiding responsibility. It means refusing to let fear become the voice that guides every financial decision. Someone who begins the day with prayer, gratitude, and a simple financial plan often discovers something remarkable. A peaceful mind makes wiser choices than an anxious one. And once that truth begins to settle in, another hidden cost of financial anxiety starts revealing itself. Gratitude doesn't magically erase debt, increase a paycheck, or make unexpected expenses disappear. What it does is change the heart before it changes the circumstances. A grateful person begins to notice God's daily provision instead of focusing only on what's still missing. That shift brings financial peace because the mind is no longer trapped in constant comparison. Instead of living with a scarcity mindset, there's a growing confidence that each faithful step matters and that every blessing, no matter how small, has value. The Apostle Paul wrote in Philippians 4:6-7, "Do not be anxious about anything, but in every situation by prayer and petition with thanksgiving, present your requests to God." Notice that thanksgiving comes before the promise of peace. A simple habit, like thanking God each morning for 3 specific blessings before checking a bank account or opening financial apps, can slowly reshape the way money is viewed. Financial wisdom grows more naturally in a peaceful heart than in an anxious one, and that's where lasting transformation truly begins. The hidden cost of financial anxiety has never been just about money. It quietly steals peace, clouds judgment, weakens confidence, and distracts people from the blessings God is already placing in their lives. But that story doesn't have to continue. Every wise financial decision, every grateful prayer, and every small step taken in faith becomes part of a new direction. As Isaiah 26:3 reminds us, "You will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are steadfast, because they trust in you." Financial freedom isn't only measured by the size of a bank account, it's also measured by the peace that fills the heart along the journey. Now take a moment and ask yourself, what has financial anxiety been costing you that money could never replace? Has it taken your sleep, your joy, your confidence, or your trust in God's provision? Share your thoughts in the comments. I would genuinely love to hear your story. And if this message encouraged you, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss future videos about financial peace, biblical wisdom, and practical steps toward a calmer, more hopeful financial life. One faithful decision today can become the beginning of a completely different tomorrow.